welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. In today's video, I am sharing with you one of my favorite Cricut hacks, which is Canva. I just love Canva in general. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use Canva to design my t-shirts. So we're actually going to be designing a t-shirt that I'm making for my boyfriend's little sister. Her name is Lauren. It's a very fun t-shirt. It's a really great example for beginners to kind of see how that works. In my next video here in the next maybe 2 days, I will have another video uploaded on actually making the t-shirt using the Cricut Easy Press. So make sure that you are subscribed and you hit that post notification bell so you don't miss the kind of part 2 of this video. So with all that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay, so the first thing that we are doing is on our laptop, we are going to go to canva.com. If you do not have a laptop or desktop of any sort, you can certainly use your phone. I do recommend using the laptop or the computer if you can, just because I find it so much easier to use. But if you did want to download it on your phone, just go to your app store and type in Canva and it will pop up. This is the homepage, and as you can see, there are so many different things that you can do, from Facebook covers to Pinterest pins. They have Instagram stories, and basically these like templates are just already the size that you'll need for whatever project you are working on. So I do have Canva Pro, which is about $120 a year, but you certainly do not need to get Canva Pro. Basically, the only real difference from Pro and not Pro is that it'll open up a lot more different fonts and pictures and clip art. And it'll also give you the opportunity to save it as different types of files, different pixels, higher quality. So if that's something that you're interested in, I do really enjoy my Pro membership. We are gonna go into my t-shirt design. So this is the t-shirt that we are going to be making. I have already designed the t-shirt, but I wanted to show you some of the different features that Canva can do. So as you can see here on the left side, this is all of the different templates that you can use. You could search up here if you're looking for something specific, but I actually really like using these. And then you can upload images if you would like. Sometimes I do that when I'm making my thumbnails. They also have all sorts of photos that you can use. I am Canva Pro, like I said, so you can see that this image is Pro. When you are not Pro, it just has a watermark in it, so you can still use the photo. There are elements, so these are your little clip arts, my recently used ones. They have shapes, lines, stickers. They have literally anything that you could think of, they have. And again, you can search if you would like. So now my favorite part, which is the text. They have so many different fonts. And so I have it set right now to where I have kind of my branding set up inside Canva, which is what they call it, where I have the fonts that I use regularly up here. But they have all sorts of different types like this, different like design effect styles. But then also if you wanted to just add a text, I'm gonna make this bigger so we can see it. I'm gonna drag this down so that we can kind of see what's going on. So this is our text field. So then we click here, which is gonna bring you all of your different fonts. So I know that it looks like there's not a whole lot, but then as you scroll down, it just keeps on going, and there's just so many different fonts to play with. And so the little crowns here are for Canva Pro users. So if you don't have Pro, it's not available. But all of these that don't have the crowns come with the free membership. Just go with this font. This is one that I really like. I want to show you kind of the effects that you can use. So you could change the font size, you could change the font color, you have your bold, italicized, and then also you could change the spacing. So like you could change the line height. And you could also change the lettering, which is really helpful.
So now I want to show you some of the effects that you can apply to your text.
I use this on my thumbnails a lot just to make the words kind of pop. So anyways, I'm gonna throw away that. This is our shirt. I've got it all aligned perfectly, but I'm gonna go ahead and save it as is. So we're gonna click this little button for download. And I'm just gonna leave it as a PNG, but as you can see, there's all sorts of different things you could save it as. So let's go to download. It's going to prepare our design, and then once it's done, it'll pop up, and then I just make sure one more time that everything looks okay, which it does. So we're gonna click this button and do add to photos. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to just upload our photo into the Cricut design space. We're going to open up a new project and then we're going to hit upload.
Then we're gonna go over here and we're gonna click upload image. Although I already have upload, I do wanna show you. We're gonna click browse and it's gonna open up all of your files on your computer. We're gonna click the image and upload it. Then it's gonna ask for you to select the image type based on the complexity of your image. For this image, I'm gonna go ahead and click moderately complex because I want it to edit okay.
Then once it's uploaded, we're going to use the magic erase tool to just erase all of the white parts. So I start by doing one click on the outside, and then I use the same tool to just go through and in all of the little loops in the lettering, I'm just going to remove all of those white parts as well until all that there is just the lettering.
Once we have all the white parts gone, we can click this little button down here that says preview, and it'll show you how it's going to cut so you can make sure that you didn't miss any of the white parts. Then once we're ready, we can click the green button that says continue. This next part is going to be really important. We're going to make sure that we click the save as a cut image and not save as a print then cut image. We're going to hit save. It's going to save it to your image library, so we're going to click the image again and do insert image. Then it will upload it into your Cricut design space and you can change all of the sizing to whatever you want it to be. And then once you have it to the size that you want it to be, you can click the green button in the top right corner that says make it. And then the final step, of course, after making sure that it all measures out equally, is clicking the mirror on button, because this is going to be in heat transfer vinyl. We want to use that mirror feature. And at that point, your image is ready to cut and you have successfully used my Canva hack.
Alright you guys, so that is how I use Canva to design my t-shirts. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and learned a lot. I hope you like this hack. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and share some of your Cricut hacks because I'm sure we would all love to know. So I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you next time.